it to stick. Wrangled in the sun while it burns me down. This ain't no game, it's a dirt-stained crown. Roaring engine screaming, live or die. Out in the dust where the strong don't cry. Chains and fury red in my veins. Out on the edge where we don't feel pain. He's my brother, fire my soul. Midnight runs to find control. Stars overhead, got no shine to spare.
É, filho. Eles vão a 200 por hora, nós vamos a 100.
A 100.
A 100, a gente chega lá daqui a pouco. Os caras vão a 200, nós vamos a 100. Daqui meia hora a gente chega lá.
Can't see a damn thing, but I'm rolling still. Blind faith and chaos, fist meets the wheel. Tires on, gravel guns in the night. This isn't heaven, but damn it feels right. Damn it feels right. Damn it feels right. Hey. Roaring engine screaming, live or die. Out in the dust where the strong don't cry. Chains and fury red in my veins. Out on the edge where we don't feel pain. Down in the hollow where the wild things crawl. Under the sky where the thunder falls. Graveyard promises whispered and gone. We ain't stopping till the breaking dawn. Rust on the wheel, no grease in the fight. Sweat drips heavy on that pale moonlight. Steel toe stomping, crushing the ground. No God to save us, no savior around. Engine screaming through the red clay dust. No clean air, just lungs full of rust. Hands to the earth, yeah, blood in the soil. Trying to live through the wreckage, through all the toil. Electric heart keeps burning alive. Through the wreckage, yeah, we drive, we drive. Fire in the veins, don't ever slow down. Born to break free, not bow to the crown. Six strings bite when the truth ain't clear. Outlaws running from the fear they steer. Bars like bullets shoot straight for the soul. Breaking the chains this world can't control. Tattooed skies and the thunder roll.